Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Beauty of Language. So today is the episode 6 of transformation sentences. So this is the most common question that is asked in the exams, and students often make mistakes because either they forget to use the correct form of verb, or they forget to use had, than, and these things. Okay, now let us take this example today where you have to change the sentence starting with no sooner and then than. T-H-A-N, not T-H-E-N, T-H-A-N. So here's the example. As soon as the bell rang, the students rushed out. So in such kind of sentences, what you have to do is you have to follow the pattern again. You have to understand the structure of the sentence. How to change it? First is no sooner had, then event A, then than, plus event B. Simple. Okay. No sooner had, event A, than, and event B. What are the events here? The things that are happening in the sentence. What all things are happening here? First of all, as soon as the bell rang. So the first event is the ringing of the bell, and the second event is the students rushed out. So you know what the event is, event A and event B. Now, how you will change it into the sentence starting with no sooner? No sooner had the bell rung, R-U-N-G, okay, third form of verb. No sooner had the bell rung than the students rushed out. Simple. Now, there is one more thing you must be thinking that can we not use no sooner did? Yes, you can definitely use no sooner did. Only keep it in mind that whenever you will use did after no sooner, then you will have to change the form of the verb into its base form, okay, root form of the verb. I'll also give you the answer for this one if you will use did. No sooner did the bell ring than the students rushed out, but mostly had is used, so that is why I went with had first. Okay, I hope that was easy to understand. Follow and subscribe Beauty of Language for more updates on grammar, and if you are a class 9th or 10th ICSE student, then also follow my channel for the explanation of the poems from Treasure Chest.